guys, thanks for tuning in. Coastside Family Adventures. We are staying at the RV park that is right up there. We just walked down here. This is the only way to get down to the beach. When you come here along the street, go past the RV park and then come down here, and this really is the only way to get down. So it doesn't look like an easy way to get down to the beach, but Daniel is determined to make it down there. I'm pretty sure we can make it down. Not so sure if we can make it up, but we'll try our best. So the easiest way looks like maybe like right there. So we'll try. Kind of try. No, stay on your butt with your legs down. Legs down, there you go. Kind of kick in the dirt. Kick your feet in the dirt. Yeah, that's not bad. We might be stuck down there until Daddy comes and gets us out. Okay, that's good, Daniel. Now a little bit to the right. Yeah. You got it. Yeah, just slowly, step by step. You see Daniel's hair? We dyed our hair red today. Yeah, keep going. You can do it step by step. Go to the right. No, that's the left. Go to the right. There you go. You got it. All right. Down there, it's pretty easy. Just climb over the rocks. Okay, so I have to make it down there now. Okay, so I pretty much just slid down here and made it. This is cool. Look at this. Ooh. Wow. That goes really far. What do you think? Is this cool?
Yeah, Mom, it's okay if we go to the end of that.
No, there's water in there. Let me come over there.
At least can I come in? At least can I go in? At least can I go in?
Yeah, if you want to. Yay, I made it! We made it down to the beach. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow. Well, I guess he wants to climb in. There you go, he made it. Woohoo! Nice! Wow! Echo! Wow, so the RV park is right up there along the cliff. Yeah. Don't get your shoes wet. Oh my gosh. There you go. You got it. Nice. Awesome. Okay, let's go a little bit down this way. Uh-huh. No, keep your jacket on. It's actually kind of cold. I mean, it's not super cold, but it's probably like 55. I wonder if the tide is coming up or the tide is going down. Yeah. Look at those giant waves.
I'm not even cold and I'm doing this.
Yeah, but keep it on.
I want to roll my feet.
Wow. You know, there were houses and buildings all along this cliff here that have been coming down. That's why part of the RV park is actually fenced off. They used to have spots directly on the cliff, but because the cliff is coming down, like here, you see it right here, they fenced some of the RV park off. and they lost some of their spots there, the oceanfront spots. Yeah. That pier down there is Pacifica Pier, and you can actually fish off the pier. I've seen people crabbing off the pier. I've seen people catch salmon off the pier. It's actually super cool, and you don't even need a license if you fish off the pier. Really cool. All right. Coming up. We're gonna just do this really quick because I don't know if this tide is coming up and I don't want to get caught here. That would be horrible. Just a couple minutes. Almost tripped here. I wanted to show you the houses coming down here. There's one still up. Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to show you really quick here, and then we'll head back so we don't get caught here. Look, stuff falling off. Wow. This house is barely holding on there, but I mean, back here you see those houses already have come down. That is so crazy. Wow. Prime real estate, oceanfront. Amazing. Crazy. Huh? Wow. I know. Okay, we gotta make it back, Daniel, so we don't get caught here when the tide comes up. Yeah. Your footprints too, yeah. It is gorgeous. Man, winter on the coast is definitely amazing. If you're looking for a spot to spend the winter and you don't care about money, then I would definitely recommend the San Francisco Bay Area. It's always in the 50s. I mean, sometimes it even goes up in the 60s. But the daytime temperatures are very pleasant, and then at night it goes in the 40s, but that's not a big deal. Look, there's a wind kite surfer down there, or what are they? Paraglider? I think they're called paragliders. It's hard to see. Maybe we'll get closer. A lot of paragliding going on here when it's windy. It's not that windy today. Yesterday it was so stormy that our RV was seriously shaking. Today is actually a lot better. But what I was gonna say, if you don't mind spending some big bucks, California isn't a bad place to vacation and spend your winter. I mean, even if you have the 1,000 Trails membership, California has probably 10,000 trails. So we've been just hopping from 1,000 trails to 1,000 trails and staying with the family. Christian has been pretty much just staying with grandma. But I like my RV. It's my little nest. So we're just hopping from 1,000 trails to 1,000 trails. And this 1,000 trails here in Pacifica actually costs $20 a night. The other ones, there's one more that costs money. That is the sand dunes. I forgot what the name exactly is, but they charge $20 a night too. And it's such an amazing place. So worth it. But the other 1,000 trails, of course, with our membership, Daniel, watch out! Are free for 3 weeks. We can stay if we wanted to at each park. We stayed at the San Benito Park a couple weeks. We stayed in Morgan Hill a week. And now we're gonna be here for a week, and then we're just gonna probably stay with the family for the holidays and then move on. But I'll do a few more videos of the beaches here on the coast, so if you're interested in some of the beaches. I made a video of Surfers Beach last week, and they have an RV park right at the beach too, so that video is already up on YouTube. Surfers Beach, watch out, Daniel! And Montara Beach is amazing. There's no RV park there, but definitely have quite a few videos already, because of course our house is like 10 minutes from the beach in Montara, so there's plenty of videos already on Montara Beach. But I just started filming horizontal, so if you hate all the videos that I filmed, that I filmed vertical, then you're gonna like the new ones, because I'm filming horizontal now. And then I still want to show you the redwoods. We're gonna go to the redwoods, right, Daniel? My favorite RV park is unfortunately closed because of the fires. That's Memorial State Park, and I really wanted to stay there. That is one of my absolute favorite RV parks in the country, but unfortunately it's closed. So we're gonna try to just go there for a day trip, because it's just such an amazing place. And I hope I gave you enough time here to look at this beautiful view. And thank you for listening to my blah blah blah, which I'm very good at. And we're gonna try to make it back up there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Coastside Family Adventures, right here in Pacifica. And I don't even know what this beach is called, but it's to the right of the Pacifica Pier. And then there is another beach actually on the left of the Pacifica Pier that I'm definitely gonna show you too. Thanks for tuning in, Coastside Family Adventures.
Bye.
Bye.